I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to show you friends how much time it takes to install the latest software update in the iQOO Z3 device. As you can see right now, I'm trying to use the iQOO Z3 mobile phone, and just today I did receive the software update in this smartphone. And in this video, I'll try to show you exactly how much time it actually takes to completely install and set up this kind of new update which I have received in this iQOO Z3 model. As you can see here. So let me try to show you the update, friends. This is the update version 1.76.2 and the update size 259, and all these kind of features which I already discussed in another video. But let's see in this video how much time it actually takes and how much battery also will drain during this time of update. So right now it's off 60% and it is a stopwatch ready as well. So let me try to click install now and click the stopwatch as well. So it's kind of verifying, and right now let's see how much time the iQOO Z3 phone actually takes completely to install. So there are a couple of things in this update. For example, network connectivity got slightly improved, that is what mentioned in the update. And next is screen flickering issues, and even the camera bugs also got fixed in this kind of iQOO Z3 device. That is what they did mention in the update log. So this is a small video. I just want to see how much time it takes to install. The size is of only close to 250 MB, but not much big size. So there is even the security patch update which I also received. I'm still waiting for the update in my iQOO 7 device, friends. This is my iQOO 7 smartphone, which I'm waiting eagerly for the iQOO 7 device for the update, but I did not get the update yet in this phone. So let's see when I'll get the update in this iQOO 7 device. So there's nothing information about the percentage how much it is complete. So it's only displaying one bar. There should be some kind of percentage mentioning how much the percent of the installation process is done. That would be kind of really good to see and keep a track. So make sure to follow the playlist of the iQOO Z3 device, friends. I'll try to do videos as soon as possible, number of videos on this phone. So in case if you're planning to buy this device, definitely my videos will be kind of helpful for you all in terms of deciding whether to buy this phone or not. So I think it's finished close to 60% till now. 60% of the time is about 1 minute and 30 seconds, as you can see clearly. So that is what I was waiting for, the network connectivity problems to get fixed in this phone. I'll try to make another video, friends, on that as well, whether the network connectivity got fixed or not after the update. So before and after update, I'll try to make the video so you'll know exactly how it is. So right now it's kind of close to 2 minutes of time. So 2 minutes of time, and just now it started to boot up, and let me try to stop the stopwatch exactly as soon as I see the lock screen. That is what I'm going to do right now. And we got the iQOO 5G logo as well successfully. Let me to click stop as soon as I get the lock screen. That is what I was waiting, and now it's taking some time optimizing the apps. So now you can see, as you can see, friends, right now how many apps I didn't install. So 139 applications, and they are getting optimized for this kind of latest version. That is another thing. So let's see how much more time it takes in this phone. So overall, it's been really kind of mixed feelings with this phone since the time I am using till now. So I'll try to give you my complete review about this phone as well later on, maybe today after using for 5 days, something like that. I'll try to make a video as soon as possible, friends, so which will be helping a lot of users who are actually thinking of buying this device. And successfully it installed in 3 minutes. So exactly in 3 minutes it installed, and only 1% of the battery got drained during this time of testing. As you can clearly see, friends, only 1% got drained. That is another thing you can actually check clearly, only 1%. And let me try to show you exactly now. The version should be 1.76. That is what I'm guessing. As you can see, 1.76.2. You can clearly see, friends. And thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick review on this time taken to installation in the iQOO Z3 device latest update. So see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.